Good morning, all of you. Today, class stratigraphy in chapter geological time scale. The time span of Earth's history is about 3000 million years. It is roughly represented by the column of sedimentary rocks. Now, present on the earth. In this record, the time during the formation of unconformity is missing. The geological time scale encompasses the total span of over 4000 million years. It is the chronological representation of past geological events and phenomena since the earth is born in a sequential order. Time units are standard reference unit for worldwide correlation and it known as geological time scale. The geological time scale is based on unconformities are however important because they subdivided the time units into small units. On this basis, a standard geological time scale has been represented which is used universally for the correlation of rock formations. Geological time scale is divided into sub-order time units. These divisions is based on availability of fossils records. The major and first order division are called as eras. Era in the geological time scale. There are 4 eras: Proterozoic, Paleozoic, Mesozoic, Cenozoic, Quaternary. The second division, period. Each era has been subdivided into smaller time units called period. This stratigraphy breaks which subdivided eras are relatively for lesser significant. For example, in this Paleozoic era, there are 6 periods: Cambrian, Ordovician, Silurian, Devonian, Carboniferous, and Permian. A succession of rocks deposited during a period constitutes a system. Epochs. The periods are further divided into smaller parts called epochs. The rock units corresponding to epochs are called series. For example, in the Triassic period there are 3 epochs: Lower Triassic, Middle Triassic, Upper Triassic. And the next stage, a part of the series is called stage. It is characterized by typical assemblage of fossil. Zone. The basic unit of a stage is called zone. It is recognized mainly on the basis of Paleozoic. The Precambrian era has been divided into groups: Archaeozoic and Proterozoic. The rock formations belonging to the Archaeozoic group are generally unfossiliferous, whereas those belonging to the Proterozoic group show traces of the most primitive life. The rocks of the Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic era quaternary contain abundant remains of past life. The geological time scale, it's believed that the earth come into existence nearly 4500 million years ago. Therefore, its history is spread over all this lengthy period. For the sake of convenience of the study of reference and also for relative comparison of ages of different sequence of rocks found in different places on the earth's surface, it is necessary to have a proper framework of geological time. This need is fulfilled by geological time scale, which is internationally accepted. It is like the calendar on year, as an year is divided into different months, each month divided into weeks, each weeks into days, each days into hours. So as an the geological time scale is also similar, subdivided into smaller and smaller units to suit stratigraphical study and correlation. The geological time scale is subdivided into number of eras. Each era comprises a number of periods, which is in turns are subdivided into epochs. A number of ages makes up to epochs. The subunits of an age are sometimes called phases. The similarity of the mode of subdivisions of year and geological time scale is up to this extent only, because unlike the duration of months, which have a nearly equal number of days, the duration of different geological eras differs very greatly. The duration or time interval between any two such successive extraordinary events is described as an era. Thus, based on this principle, the geological time scale, which represents the entire period of the Earth's history, has been subdivided into 6 eras. They are Archean era, oldest, Precambrian era, primary era, secondary era, tertiary era, and quaternary era. In our routine measurement of time, 60 seconds make a minute, 60 minutes make an hour, 24 hours make a day, and so on. But in the geological time scale, eras or periods or epochs do not have any such fixed number of subdivisions. They differ from one another. For example, the primary era is subdivided into 6 periods, which as a secondary era is subdivided into 3 periods only. A close look at the name of different eras raises the questions: why the primary era, which literally means first era, listed as the third era. This is done because fossils which from the main study of stratigraphy have been recorded only from this era onwards. Thus, it is logically called the primary era, and the era succeeding it are called secondary, meaning secondary era, tertiary meaning third era, and quaternary meaning fourth era. Under fossil is, as already been stated, that the record of fossil providing an authentic evidence of the evolution of life are primitive to the most through the geological era. They are follows Archean era, Eozoic era, Ezo life, Jo life, Eozoic lifeless, meaning an era without life. Precambrian era, Proterozoic era. Proto means very early, meaning an era with very early life, which is not recorded as fossil. Primary era, that is Paleozoic era. Paleo means old, meaning the era with first important life, which is recorded as fossil. Secondary era, Mesozoic, that is Mesozoic. Mesos, middle, meaning an era with life which is neither old or recent. Tertiary era, Cenozoic or Cainozoic era. Ceno, recent, meaning and without with recent life. Quaternary era, Psychozoic era. Psycho, reasoning or thinking, meaning an era with life which has reasoning or thinking capacity, that is the final form of evolution as at present. The geological time scale which subdivided eras and periods along with their respective duration and remarks is given in the tabular form. It is the geological time scale. The geological time scale discuss classification the geological time units and corresponding rock units. By geological time units, corresponding geological rock formations. The terms era, periods and so on refer to the subdivision of time of geological history. Since sedimentary rocks have been forming all the time, different subdivisions of time have corresponding geological formations, that is sedimentary rocks. The rocks formed during an era are called group of rocks. Rocks belonging to a period are called system of rocks. Similarly, rock represent an epoch, age and phase are respectively called series, stage and zone. These details may be seen at geological classification of the geological time units and corresponding rock units. Eras gives rise to group, periods gives rise to system, epoch gives rise to series, age gives rise to stage, era, phase gives rise to zone. The same name is given both of the time unit and the rock unit with the approximately suffix. For example, in geological time scale, in Archean group, Archean era or Ajoic 3600 million years to 4500 million years. Lifeless, the oldest rock formations records at the age Precambrian, Proterozoic, soft bodies and animals and plants, origin of ocean and origin of different atmosphere, carbon dioxide, life, primary era or Paleozoic era. Primary era subdivided into 6 periods: Cambrian, Ordovician, Silurian, Devonian, Carboniferous, Permian. The Cambrian is 505 to 570 million years. No life. Ordovician 4438 to 505 million years. First fish born in life. Silurian 4408 million to 438 million years. First trace of life on land, plants. Devonian 360 to 408 million years. Amphibian started. Carboniferous 286 to 360 million. First reptiles, vertebrates, coal beds formations. This Carboniferous. Permian 245 to 286 million years. Reptiles, dominant reptiles and replace the amphibians in life is presented. And next Mesozoic era, it is the 65 million years to 245 million years. It is periods to period Triassic, Jurassic, Cretaceous. In Triassic 208 to 245 million years. Frogs and rutiles formations. Jurassic 144 to 208 million years. Age of dinosaurs started. Cretaceous 65 to 144 million years. Extending of dinosaurs. And next tertiary era, it is Cenozoic tertiary period. It is subdivided into 5 epochs, that is the Pliocene, Eocene, Oligocene, Miocene, Pliocene. Paleocene 55 to 65 million years. Small mammals started, rats, and Eocene 37 to 58 million years. Rabbits start. Oligocene 24 to 37 million years. Arthropods, apes started this life. Miocene 5 to 24 million years. Apes, flowering plants and trees. Pliocene 2 to 5 million years. Early human started this life, major events. And tertiary also divided two epochs, Pleistocene, Holocene. Pleistocene 1000 to 2 million years. Homo sapiens started. Holocene are recent 0 to 10,000 million years. Up to modern man started. This is the geological time scale. The Archeans, the early time division of the Earth history, represent the time span between 4,500 million years to 2,000 million. There was no life in the Earth during this time. The bed of this division did not contain any fossil. Proterozoic era, the second broadest time division in the history, represent the time span between 2,500 millions to 570 millions. The Proterozoic refers to old time that did not contain any major fossil. However, the uppermost layer contained macroorganisms. Proterozoic, Archeans and Proterozoic. Paleozoic, the third time division in the Earth history, represents the time span between 570 million to 230 million years. The Paleozoic refers to the primary life. Strata contain many fossils. The era divided in 6 periods: Permian, Carboniferous, Devonian, Silurian, Ordovician, Cambrian. These are main. And the Paleozoic next geological time scale up to Archean started, and next Proterozoic, and next Paleozoic, and next Mesozoic era. The fourth subdivision in the Earth history, represent the time span between 230 millions to 60 million years. The Mesozoic refers to the with life, middle life, that means life, or recent. The strata contain many flowering plants and also many flowering plants and numerous first birds and sea animals, reptiles, different arid climate conditions also formation this Mesozoic era. It is the era is divided into 3 periods: Cretaceous, Jurassic and Triassic. This Cretaceous period, the Mesozoic is mainly Triassic. Reptiles, amphibians are very abundantly spreaded in this Triassic. And Jurassic, dinosaurs is started, and ammonites are disappeared. Cretaceous is dinosaurs and flowering plants very spreading in this era. Triassic 240 million years spreaded. Jurassic 200 million years. Cretaceous 75 million years spreading in Mesozoic era. In geological time scale, Archean, Proterozoic, Paleozoic, Mesozoic. Next, Cenozoic. The Cenozoic era, the fourth broader geological time division of geological time scale, extend up to recent for 60 million years ago. The strata contain many high level fossils. It has been divided into 4 periods. These Eocene, Oligocene, Miocene, Pliocene. It is Eocene is broadly extinct series of Eocene mostly 65 million years. It is abundant of the extinct species of mollusks and the present of mammal species. And Oligocene 38 million years. It is spreading based on proportion of living species to spreading Oligocene. Miocene 25 million years. Plants dominantly developed in Miocene. Divisions are many plants are spreading in Miocene period. And next Pliocene, it is the 7 million years. Mammals, mollusca and flowering plants, these are developed in Cenozoic era. And in geological time scale, starting Archeans, second one Proterozoic era, and next Paleozoic era, Mesozoic and Cenozoic. Next Quaternary era. The Quaternary era is represent and recent and present day living animals and plants. The Quaternary is 1 million year up to million. The strata contain many high level man appears and many mammals died during glacial periods. It has been divided into two periods. Holocene, nothing but recent. Pleistocene. Pleistocene 1 million years. It is man appears. Many mammals died during the glacial periods and started Himalaya regions also. Alluvial area also formations in this Pleistocene period. Recent present day living animals and plants. In Archean era, Proterozoic era, Paleozoic era, Mesozoic era, Cenozoic era and Quaternary era. These geological time scale. The geological time scale by venture of predominant occurrence the Cambrian period is called age trilobites. The Ordovician is called the age of graptolites. The Devonian is called the age of the fish. The Miocene era is called age of reptiles or age of amphibinodes. The Tertiary era is called the age of the mammals, and Quaternary era is also called the age of the man. The geological time scale different represent groups and different classifications. So it is the lithostratigraphical classifications is also is present in region having different kinds of geological history. The boundaries of the geological time scale do not coincide with the actual stratigraphical boundaries in many areas, though the major stratigraphic divisions are identified. The demarcation of similar divisions such as series and stages become very difficult. In case of unfossiliferous strata, it is not possible to identify the divisions corresponding to those of this standard time scale. In order to avoid these difficulties, the lithostratigraphic classifications as divided in this devised. In this classification, the rock formations are divided chiefly on the basis of lithological criteria. Groups, formations, beds. The group means group, the major division of rock formation are called group. Each group include a thick succession of rocks which extend over a large area. The biggest unconformity separate one group from another. A supergroup is formed when two or more groups join together. And next, formation. It is the basic unit used for naming the rocks in stratigraphy. It may be defined as a set of rocks which have some distinctive features of lithology and are large enough to be mapped. And bed. A bed is the smallest lithological unit. It may be defined as a single sedimentary rock unit which has a distinct set of mineralogical or fossil characteristics which help to distinguish it from bed above and below. The geological time scale in particular classification of the rock formation divided groups, formations and beds. These are major stratigraphical units, and the geological sets mainly discussed Archeans, Proterozoic era, Paleozoic era, Mesozoic era, and Cenozoic and Quaternary era. These are used for some rock fixations and geological time scales units also discussed in age of the earth, and also it is discussed the geological time units. It is also a thorough study of geological formations as lead the stratigraphers and geologists to develop the standard stratigraphical scale on the basis of the classified of correlation. The standard during the rock formations of the fossil life, and geologists are refers to proposed the geological time scale. These arrangements of the known as geological time scale. It is based on the two conventions: rock thickness, time intervals. Rock thickness. Firstly, the rock thickness is divided into four divisions. They are groups, systems, series and stages. Time interval. Secondly, there is a time division corresponding for the four rock divisions. They are respectively era, period, epochs and age. It is classified into rock units and time units. The geological time scale contains the total span of over 4,500 million years. It is the chronological reference of past geological events and phenomena of the earth. It's born on a sequential order. So it is the discuss geological time scale, and it is also previous earth formations, how to fossil form, and also it is formation of different sedimentary rock strata and beds. It is the discuss the uh, we discuss the total span of the earth has been divided into 6 eras. This division is based on the presence or absence of fossil records. The first two eras together called Precambrian. So next steps: Precambrian, Archeans and Proterozoic, and Paleozoic and Mesozoic, Cenozoic, Quaternary. These are developed in one by one. So it is the sequential order. Life also started, and single cell animals and double cell animal cells also, birds also present in geological time scale. It developed in highly thinking and reasoning man stage is developed in geological formations, and also discuss the rock formations, sedimentary rocks, alluvial fans and alluvial landforms formations. It is main important in engineering, mining engineering students, and it is the very important questions is frequently asked questions. Explain the geological time scale and definition of the geological time scale and definition of era, definition of the period, definition of the bed, definition of the epoch. Next, definition of the group, definition of the formation. These are most important of the questions in this time scale, geological time scale. In and next to discuss the next class discuss the before class discuss the stratigraphy, definition of the stratigraphy and stratigraphy objectives, and discuss the already principles of stratigraphy, fossils, definition of the fossils, definition of correlation, definition of index fossil and uses of fossils. It and these and fossils, preservation of the fossils. These are used for in geological time scale. Fossil content based on life, previous environment conditions and age of the formations we discussed. So next, geological time scale. It is the main important of the in stratigraphical chapter, geological time scale. And also short question: explain the Archaeozoic era and explain the Proterozoic era, Paleozoic era and Cenozoic era, Mesozoic era and Quaternary era. Also very important questions. And next class we have discussed stratigraphic units of India and physiographic divisions of in India. Physiographic divisions of India, mainly 3 divisions: Peninsular India, Indo-Gangetic Alluvial Plain and extra Peninsular India. These are very important our in stratigraphic chapter. So in geological divisions of in India, before study the geological time scale. Eras: Archean, Proterozoic era, Paleozoic era, Mesozoic era, Cenozoic era, Quaternary era. These are very important to this chapter. Basic concept of stratigraphy in geological time scale. Stratigraphy, also called historical geology, is that branch of geology it deals with the history of the rocks of the earth crust, with special emphasis on their approximately time of formation. It is the main used geological time scale. It is standard scale on the basis of time units, and rock units are adopted above and after using principles of correlation. A standard arrangement for the rock of world has been proposed and standard broadly established. This arrangement is known as standard stratigraphical scale, or is known as geological column. It is also called as geological time scale. The geological time scale is eras, periods, epochs, age divided geological time units. Rock units is represent the rock unit. In this scale, era compresses several periods, and each period is made up of several epochs, and so on. Similarly, each group of rocks may encompass a number of rock systems, and in turn, each system may be made up several series, and so on. The geological time scale mainly broadly enhanced correlation of rocks, order of superposition, and lithological and fossils and structural features. These are main things used for geological time scale. Litho means rock, logos means study. It signify the nature, composition, and types of rocks are found in a particular formation. Thus, for example, sandstone, limestone, and shales are broad rock types, which may further be distinguished into ferruginous sandstone, silicious limestone, and fossil. These are the remains or trace of organisms that have lived on this earth from time to time in the past. They have proved of get help in correlating different rock groups system and series even up to stage unit. Their occurrence in particular type of beds only exposed at different spaces indicate the continuity of same or similar conditions over the area in which these beds were formed. Similarly occur for different groups of fossils in adjoining area in indicate of separate of these areas by some physical or other barriers. Structural features of these unconformities are most important. These are of a great significance in broadly grouping together correlating the formation. Unconformity indicate as been mentioned earlier breaks, gaps, and interruptions in periods of deposition. So these are used in geological time scale. It is mainly observed the different eras, periods, Archeans or Ajoic period, Petrozoic period. These are Precambrian and primary era, Paleozoic era, nothing but it is divided into Cambrian, Ordovician, Silurian, Devonian, Carboniferous, Permian. These are periods. And next secondary group. Secondary group, these are Mesozoic era. It is also subdivided into Triassic, Jurassic, Cretaceous. Tertiary are nothing but Cainozoic era, Eocene, Oligocene, Miocene, Pliocene. These are divided into systems and Quaternary era, Pleistocene recent. These are divided to it is alluvial, younger alluvial and different development and of the rock deposits.